A narcissistic husband is toxic for a number of reasons. He is not going to be someone who cares for his partner, his girlfriend, or his wife. How do we know someone is narcissistic? Their ego is of prime importance to them. How they are seen socially and publicly really, really matters to them at different stages of life. Let's say when they are in school or college, it would be really important for them or him to have the most beautiful girl as his girlfriend, the most attractive girl as his girlfriend. He's also going to work a lot on his body, on his physique, on his looks. He wants people to see him and feel like, wow. So something has to add to that, either his own self image, physical image, sexual image. That's why a lot of narcissists are charming to a certain degree. But at the same time, they want someone by their side, they want a woman by their side, a girl by their side, who they can flaunt and show off. There are other things like is he going to be good to his girl or to his woman? Only on one condition: if she is extremely independent, she's very beautiful, or she has that energy where she doesn't need him so much. When she's literally on her own, then you'll see this narcissistic man hovering around her all the time. But as I said, for him at the end of the day, his image matters a lot. As long as the feminines or the women around him are solving that for him, are providing that for him, he'll be okay with that. But wherever he goes, he would be that charming man. No matter how much in love he looks towards his girl, towards his woman, he cannot be loyal because he wants someone around him all the time. He wants that attention, that feminine, female attention, and for that he can do anything. He's always going to make other women feel like they are extremely, extremely gorgeous, but his goal and his agenda is clear. Such men usually look for emotionally avoidant or emotionally not expecting too much from them kind of people if they already have someone in their life, because their goal is just to have fun with someone. They already have a permanent partner, they just want to have fun. So it's best to get involved with a woman who's not going to call them so much or message them so much, but she has to be fun. As long as she's around him, he wants to be entertained. He wants that lady, to be of that source of energy for him that makes him feel like, showing off or talking, or basically she has to make him feel important. Like, the reason why this amazing girl is with me is because I'm so amazing, not because she's amazing.